Okay, guys, I'm going to talk about Maxn just because I'm going to show you the current trend here. The time is very close. I think out of all the stocks, for penny stocks, I think Maxn is the time for a pump. And I'm going to give you guys my reasons why, technical analysis that works, and why this system wins over 95% of the trades. This is a swing trading strategy, so I use the daily candle. As you can see, we look for the most best signals. And with this strategy, we look for price to be close as possible to the lower band, which is this green band for buys, and the upper band is a shorting area. And as you can see, price has been consistently moving in waves. We will always hit the EMA 20 when there's these big large gaps. As you can see, when price goes away from it, it jumps up to it. So knowing this knowledge and price moving in waves, is this a good area to buy? Maxn hasn't touched the EMA 20 in a very, very absurd amount of time. We're getting close at 529. We touched it. Guess what, guys? It is 7:30. We are over 2 months. I repeat, 2 months of time distance of not touching the EMA 20. It should touch it in 1 to 2 weeks. I can't see it much happening further. Could it go all the way down? And the EMAs fluctuate all the way down to 30 cents or 20 upper 20, sure, but the price is at 18 cents. If you do the math here, guys, if you look at the percentage change, if you get this thing at 0.18, and let's just say you sell it at 0.25, you're up 40% returns. Who would not like that returns? Let's say if we go to 30, we go to 30 cents here. And you're up 66%. The gains are there. The price, this thing could go massively up to the upside. EMA 20, not touched in 2 months. First box is checked. Longer term swing trading, it should go there. I've seen countless of trades not hit it. People get depressed, and then it hits it, and then it makes its next big leg down. So for Maxn, you can barely clearly see what's the trend channel. If we are going to get in this and it's not at the ATR4, guys, I repeat, if we're going to get in this and it's not touching the lower band, then we got to use other resources of where we should buy. It makes sense to buy it at the lower trend. As of now, we are under the EMA 5, so that's good. It's good to see that. When price gets under the EMA 5, we jump out of it and we make some gains. But as you can see, lower trend, uptrend. And so we hit the bottom trend, we hit the uptrend, and we zig. And so we have a solid formation of a trend channel. And that's why time distance is important. You want to make sure you have this zigzag formation, and we would look for price to be up to the EMA 20. As we speak, as of now, it's 36 cents. It fluctuates only 2 cents a day. So I think this is a very good buying opportunity. If I get any more red down close to this trend here, this lower trend, I would look to buy it, guys. It's just a solid opportunity. Like I said, if we just take this to the 20 cents region, you're making a lot of money. It's a lower price stock. It's riskier, so it has higher gains. As you can see, when this moves, it moves pretty rapidly. So this is Maxn. What I do like a lot about it is the volume. We're at over 50 million volume today, and we tend to predict the EMAs a lot faster when we have massive amounts of volume. But look at this, guys. What a beautiful thing here. We have two gaps right here, one gap here, another gap here, but the EMA 20 not get touched in a while. And as you can see, we are due to break this. When the EMA 10 gets touched, it could act as resistance right in here, goes back up, it touches again, and then it goes back down. So I would definitely look to be taking some profits on the EMA 10 if you like, or near the upper trend channel. But the long-term target is going to be the EMA 20. We know it's going to hit, it will hit, and it's just a matter of time, guys. So this is the strategy. Like I said, I called a lot of things. I called Maxn. Maxn today is running. Congratulations to whoever took my advice. Here's exactly this pattern we're having here. ATR for it, and this is the kind of setup we look for. Bam, EMA 10. And then it could go down and then hit the EMA 20. And that's the same thing we're predicting for Maxn. We haven't touched the EMA 10 for quite some time, so we're going to touch that. Could go down, but I think since Maxn has the longest time distance of the EMA 20, and a lot of stocks I'm watching at, this is my highest priority, guys, for swing trading. This is my best penny stock I would buy. It is very close to the lower trend channel, and it has massive volume, lots of accumulation happening in this area, and we're ready for a move up, guys. I think a lot of the pumpers that bought this up in the high 20s, the 30 cents regions, they have no idea what the heck they were doing. You have to have a trend to form. You can't just randomly buy, throw a dart, and in this middle of the zigzag to make money. You have to be very consistent. Yes, it looks very tempting here, but we gotta wait just a little longer. You know, you don't want to backfold. You don't want to be like, well, I knew this was the best area to buy, so then wait for it. If it goes all the way up and you miss the boat, that's totally fine. You stick to the rules. If you do this strategy, guys, you will win over 95% of your trades, and that's a fact. That's a guarantee. And you guys have such a big advantage. And for everyone in my Discord, you have the biggest advantage compared to most retail traders that don't know this. They hold this and they don't understand why. They don't understand where price has to go, and they just get frustrated. They sell for a loss and it pumps. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and see a system that works, understand why algos take prices where it is, understand how trading works and all that, and then have this chart, you know, to look like yours, and understand how to do it, draw your trend lines and all that. Join the premium Discord. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments or in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be pinned in the comments. You can't miss it. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, read avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. But head on over to the server shop on the top left. You will see I offer swing trading and day and swing trading plus. You do the day and swing trading plus, you get access to everything for only 12 bucks a month, guys. Merry Christmas. I'm telling you, it is the best service. It took me lots and lots of years to perfect this. So that I am so transparent that you will win, that I gave you out my RTK journal that shows over 95% of my wins of my swings and day trades that I do. I win. I give you guys my entries and exits. There's no hiding, no transparency. I know where price is going to go. I know where price has to go back to. There's so many ways to trade this strategy. If we're not playing the ATR4, which is this bottom band here, as you can see, we had a big move here. It can't sustain this. We had to reject to the EMA5, which is a reversion of the mean. We go zigzag down. I look for this. Or if it's getting to the extreme, let's wait for this EMA20. We're due for that lower trend channel touch. We had the time distance, and it's a perfect trade, guys. You're going to have all this education, guys, for 12 bucks a month. You're going to see my entries and exits with my RTK journal and live streams that I do for the whole group. And if you subscribe, you get access to all the channels here on the left. And do subscribe on a computer. It is slightly cheaper, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoy your day. I hope you guys have happy trading. Always stay blessed, stay humbled, guys. You guys will make it. I tell you, just gotta think forward. I know Maxn has been a terrible trade for a lot of people, but I'm telling you, if you're getting in on this entry, this is where the traders make the money. Ignore the pumpers that don't tell you exactly what's going on or have no system or analysis. This works, and it works consistently, guys. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. Happy trading. We are going to hit the EMA20, I predict, in 2 to 3 weeks. I don't see anything longer than that. That is a very safe prediction. You said, if we go to 25 cents from this area, you're making around a 40% gain. If you go to the EMA20 and the 30 cents, you're making around 60%, guys, in the 30 cents, guys. It's going to be a nice trade. And when it goes up, everyone's going to get hyped up. People are going to chase it. But in my Discord, you guys are going to make money if you follow these rules. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the Discord, and let's make some money.